If you want to cancel your Reddit free trial, follow these straightforward steps to ensure you do it correctly before the trial period ends. Step 1. Log into your Reddit account. Visit the Reddit website or open the app and log in using your credentials. Make sure you are accessing the account that has the active free trial. Step 2. Go to User Settings. Once logged in, navigate to your user settings. This can typically be found by clicking on your profile icon or username in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Access the Subscriptions section. In the Settings menu, look for a section labeled Subscriptions or Premium. Click on this section to view your current subscription details. Step 4. Find the free trial option. Within the Subscriptions section, locate the option for your free trial. There should be a clear indication that you are currently enrolled in a trial period. Step 5. Cancel the free trial. Select the option to cancel your free trial. Follow any prompts or confirmations required to complete the cancellation process. Make sure to check for any confirmation message indicating that the trial has been successfully cancelled. By following these steps, you can easily cancel your Reddit free trial before it converts into a paid subscription. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Reddit support for assistance.